Grimoire.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? It's about time you showed up. I just found this super cool book at the treehouse, and Sammy's about to read it.
Hey guys, you gotta check out this book we found in that old treehouse. Listen up. A world where words turn whispers in the air, where brothers fight brothers, where blood runs thicker than nightmares, where screams of mortals in war are filled with pain. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood. Grimoire! Grimoire! Damn these souls to our pages through dying breath.
Jimmy, look up! Jimmy, are you okay? Jimmy, look up! Jimmy, look up! That looks like a safe space. I would go inside. Oh my god.
Return this book! Follow me! Come on!
Yeah, return this book, come on! This book is cursed! Oh my god!
It's a whole different experience to be the first. That was scary.